Howdy folks, Jeff here, and I just want to give you a tech tip about the speed smoke from Redline Detection. Now this is a tip that a lot of people don't know, they don't even think about. Well, anytime you have a coolant leak, there's actually an adapter that you can buy to hook on to the cooling system. And with the speed smoke, because it does turbo, it's the same thing as pressuring, and we can control it from 5 to 15 pounds. So the vehicle comes in, and if it's low on coolant and we want to pressurize it, normally we'll have to fill it up in order to have the coolant or the water leak out. Well, with the speed smoke, because it has an air only, we can turn it on to the turbo side, and we can press air only. So basically, with this connection, we just hook it up, press air only. Now we can control, look right here. Now we can control the flow with the flow valve, and we can also control the pressure, and we're just shooting air only in. So if the system is low, then we want to switch it to smoke. And in this particular case, you can see where it's showing the leak coming out. And so this is one of the advantages of having a speed smoke that a lot of people don't know about. And like I said, the difference is if the system is low, you can actually pump the smoke into it without having to fill it up. If it's full, then you can use the air only. And as you can see, we have the pressure coming out right there, and it's showing where the leak is. This is quicker and easier, so that we're not having to fill the system up and then drain it, when we can just use the speed smoke and find a coolant leak. As always, I appreciate you watching.